Hiya! How you doing? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, do some opening. I got lots of things to show you. Yes, I've moved. I'm finally in my new place. I'm kind of set up, but I couldn't wait to make a video, so yeah, it's an unboxing. I'm going to unbox everything, so it's going to be a long video. Enjoy! Oh, my name's Marie, and you're watching Marie's Stuff. I'm so excited I forgot to introduce myself. Okay, we've got two Sofie and Toffee boxes to unbox. We've got the second Nerdy Crafter craft kit. We've got the Let's resin mats, and we've got all these molds that I got for Christmas to show you. So here we go. Hi, excuse the messy table. Yeah, I haven't even got round to scrubbing it down. I just wanted to do this video so much. Okay, this one I got for Christmas, and it's a sleeping dragon by the looks. Can't wait to make that. I got this for Christmas as well, which is a sea dragon, I believe. Yeah, I think so. And this one I got for Christmas as well. My son knows me well. I really wanted to give this one a go, so there we go. And I got this for Christmas. Yay! Some traditional rune stones. I know I've done rune stones before, but they were like witches' rune stones, and these are more traditional rune stones that you see. So yeah, absolutely can't wait to do those. Let me move those aside. Okay, let's have a look at this. This is the Let's resin heating mat. Now, I bought this for my own money, not sponsored, not affiliated or anything like that. My channel isn't big enough yet. I say yeah, you never know, you never know. Right, let me just open this. I think I might have to lift you up a bit for this. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay. Right, let's see what we get. Oh, it's on the box already. Right, we get a nice silicone mat. Let's have a look. There are cheaper versions of this out there, but with it being a heating mat, I didn't want to risk. I'd rather go with a reputable company because I didn't want to risk it, you know, overheating, being too hot, not being right, and burning the place down. So I went with a reputable company in the hopes that it's good. Oh, it's a nice big. I don't know if you can see it because it's nice and big, isn't it? It's huge. Okay, that's the silicone mat. There's all the instructions. Looks simple and easy enough. Okay. And we've got the plug with a high-low heat thingy on it and an off. Cool, seems simple enough. And then we've got the heat mat itself. This is to help cure pieces quicker and to take bubbles out better than trying to use a flame or anything else either. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. We'll do some experiments with this and see how it goes. Sorry, I don't know how well you can see it, but oh, you can see me. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Looks wicked. I will try that at some point. Right, now the fun ones. Oh dear. Okay, first Sofie and Toffee box. I have no idea what's in it. No idea what we're going to find. No idea which one this is. Okay, I love that they've started doing it in this paper. We'll do all sorts with this paper. Oh, it's the Angels and Demons one. We'll have a proper look at that in a second. What do we get? Oh, some lovely pigments. Oh, I love the purple. That's a really nice red. Yeah. It's not easy to get red. Oh. And I think that's the shaker one. Let's have a look at how to put these together. Oh, they're cute. Oh, look at those. They're so cute. Oh. Not really into hearts, but they are just cute. And then, oh, we've got rings. Oh, we've got quite a few rings. And some necklace pieces by the looks. Ooh, very nice. And what have we got? We've got 100 grams of resin in total, because it's 50 grams each and it's 1:1. We've got, ooh, lots of bits and pieces. I love these ones. You do so much with them. Okay, and, oh, some chain. And I think, yeah, that's it. Okay, so we've got magical egg shaker ring silicone molds. Ah, right, okay, get that. Magical eggs shaker spinning silicone molds. Ooh, what's that one? And then magical eggs embellishment silicone molds. Yeah. Right, we've got ring blanks. We've got the resin, we've got the chain, we've got some, well, we've got one bale, and we've got pigment powders. Yay! What else is in the booklet? I'm sure we've got, don't we have more than that? Can't remember. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I only got 3 molds. So here's the instructions. Yeah. Oh, looks easy enough. Except they've given us 1:1 resin and they're telling us to use UV resin. And those are some of the arts that have been made so far. Cool. Right, that's that one then. Awesome. Can't wait to make that. That looks fun. Right, next one. I'm just going to put this over here. Oh, I hope it's not gone really dark for you. It might have done. Let's put my light on here. It's a little bit better. Okay, here we go. Next one. Like I say, no idea what this one is. Oh, Treehouse Friends, I've been wanting this one. Oh, cool. Yeah, so I am definitely missing a box. I'm not missing it, it's arrived, but I can't find where I've put it. I think the camera box is the one that I haven't got opened yet, so when I find it, we'll open it. Ooh, lots of lovely glitter. You can see that. Loads of glitter. Ooh, lots of embellishments. Cool. Earring hooks. Okay. More embellishments. Crikey, they really are packing these boxes. And more embellishments. Wow. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. That's the little one, isn't it? Yeah. And then you get the bigger version. And then you get to make your own embellishments. Gorgeous. Oh, we've even got pigment colours. Oh, alcohol inks. And candy pigment dyes. What's that? God knows, but they look nice. We've got another thing of glitter. I love this glitter. It is awesome, I must admit. We've got, oh, what's this? We've got stickers by the looks. Let me have a look. Oh. Ah, I see what they are. They're shaped so that you can cover the, make it into a shaker. That's cool. That's the right shape and everything. That's really good. Awesome. Did a brilliant job there. And then we've got 100 grams of one-to-one resin. I would have thought they'd have put UV in this. Oh well. Don't say no to one-to-one resin. So yeah, that's that box. Loving tons in there. Absolutely tons. Right, let's have a look. I've got plenty of UV resin, so I'm not arguing at that. So those are the moulds we've got. And the UV resin, and then the colours and glitters, and oh, we've got jump rings and stuff as well, apparently. Okay. And then we've got other stuff. Look at that, blimey, got loads in. They've really packed it in. Yeah. Oh, and I like to show who's been put on their brilliant list. Right, that's that one. Leave the big box till last. Crikey, I don't even know if I'm going to get this on the table. It's massive. Look at that. It's massive. Okay. Let's have a look at this one. As per usual. Oh, I love this paper. Gorgeous. Love it. And the instruction booklet. Might have a look at that in a minute. It's really good. I've seen lots of people make this, so yeah, it's awesome. And I'm not going to go mega into it. We've got tools. We've got we've got a sticker. We've got funnels. We've got sticks. We've got a silicone cup. We've got elastic bands, we've got a plastic foldable cup, and we've got the spatula. Okay, we've got manipulative wire, I can't think what they call it. We've got files. We've got paintbrushes. I love these paintbrushes. We've got paint thing. Oh, we've got angel wings and devil wings and all the dragon wings and stuff. Awesome. Needed one of these. We've got a base mold. We've got a Lazy Susan. We've got a measuring cup. We've got oven cure adhesive. We've got, oh my god, I don't even know what to do with half of these. Chalk, acrylic, something. We've got moulding tools. She thinks of everything. It's no wonder this cost a fortune. We've got the moulding stuff again, which was wicked. Oh, of course, we've got a pointy tool. a sharp pointy thing. We've got cosplay, limey, we've got airbrush paint set. It's come undone, but that's fine. Loads of paints in there. We've got this is the mould that she did, that Jackie from Nerdy Craft, I'm running out of words here, Nerdy Crafter did. We got the portable airbrush kit, and we've even got a mat, silicone mat. There's a massive one by the looks of it. That is awesome. I can't wait to make something from here. Oh dear, what to do first? What to do first? Oh, right. So yeah, that is everything I've got, or not quite everything, but most of what I've got to be doing at the minute. I can't wait to get started, to be totally honest with you. I really can't wait to get started. I haven't done any crafting for lemon months now. So yeah, I've got plenty of stuff to do, and I can't wait to try it all out. Thanks for sticking with me. I know this has been a long one and it's only unboxing, but hey, I'm back. And I'll be back every Wednesday, fingers crossed, for as long as I can. I do have an operation coming up because I've finally lost the weight that they wanted me to lose. That's probably due to all the stress of moving, but there we go. And yeah, so I'm going to change my outro. Let's see, I'm just going to shorten it. So when you think about it and you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.